And there's one more thing you need to know. Sorry, Dad. Okay, but I hit a Night Fury. It's not like the last few times, Dad. I mean, I really actually hit it. You guys were busy, and I had a very clear shot. It went down just off Raven Point. Let's get a search party out there before...
Stop! Just stop. Every time you step outside, disaster falls. Can you not see that I have bigger problems? Winter is almost here, and I have an entire village to feed.
Yeah, between you and me, the village could do with a little less feeding, don't you think?
This isn't a joke, Hiccup. Oh, why can't you follow the simplest orders?
I can't stop myself. I see a dragon, and I have to just kill it, you know? It's who I am, Dad.
Oh, yeah, many things, Hiccup. But a dragon killer is not one of them. Get back to the house. Make sure he gets there. I have his mess to clean up.
Quite the performance.
I've never seen anyone mess up that badly. That helped.
Thank you. I was trying, so...
Ow!
I really did hit one.
Sure, Hiccup.
He never listens.
Well, it runs in the family.
And when he does, it's always with this disappointed scowl, like someone skimped on the meat in his sandwich.
Excuse me, barmaid. I'm afraid you brought me the wrong offspring. I ordered an extra large boy with beefy arms, extra guts and glory on the side. This is a talking fish bone.
Now, you're thinking about this all wrong. It's not so much what you look like, it's what's inside that he can't stand.
Thank you for summing that up.
Look, the point is, stop trying so hard to be something you're not.
I just want to be one of you guys.
Hiccup.
Dad, I have to talk to you, Dad.
I need to speak with you too, son. I think it's
Decided
time
I
you
don't
learn
want
to fight dragons. What? You go first.
No, you go first.
All right. You get your wish. Dragon training. You start in the morning.
Oh, man, I should have gone first. 'Cause I was thinking, you know, we have a surplus of dragon-fighting Vikings, but do we have enough bread-making Vikings or small home repair Vikings?
You'll need this.
I don't want to fight dragons.
Come on, yes you do.
Rephrase, Dad, I can't kill dragons.
But you will kill dragons.
No, I'm really very extra sure that I won't.
It's time, Hiccup.
Can you not hear me?
This is serious, son. When you carry this axe, you carry all of us with you. Which means you walk like us, you talk like us, you think like us. No more of this.
You just gestured to all of me.
Deal?
This conversation is feeling very one-sided.
Deal?
Deal.
Good. Train hard. I'll be back. Probably.
And I'll be here. Maybe.